There are several ways to make money on Instagram. Sponsored posts. As an influencer, you can partner with brands and get paid for promoting their products or services on your Instagram account. Affiliate marketing. You can promote products through affiliate links and earn a commission for each sale that comes through your link. Selling products. If you have your own products or services, you can use Instagram to promote and sell them directly to your followers. Brand partnerships. You can collaborate with brands to create sponsored content, giveaways, and other marketing campaigns that help them reach your audience. Sponsored stories. You can create sponsored stories for brands, which appear at the top of the Instagram feed and can drive a lot of engagement. Sell your Instagram account. If you have a large following and engagement, you can sell your Instagram account to others who want to build their own following. Offer coaching or consulting services. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can offer coaching or consulting services to your followers. To get started with any of these methods, it's important to first build a strong following on Instagram by consistently posting high-quality content, engaging with your followers, and using relevant hashtags.